Hi guys, good morning. So now let us see what is February month's your twin flames message to you and what are the actions they are taking towards you. This first row is full of your twin flames message for you and these are the actions they are going to take towards you. So your twin flames message for you, the first card is Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is a card which tells that your twin flame now has realized themselves, like who I am from within and what is my authenticity and what am I dreaming to live and what lifestyle I want and what is the everyday routine I want. All that your twin flame has realized, and with whom I want and where I want, when I want, all these things. So, in and out, your twin flame has sit with themselves. They have felt their feelings, they have gone deep within themselves, and they have realized as essence from within who they are, and they have organized and listed out this is what I want one by one, and they have prioritized their wish list also. So this is what is Nine of Cups. Through Nine of Cups they are informing you. Second card is Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords indicates that your twin flame now knows about their true inner essence. So now they have come for the acceptance of, okay, this is who I am. And they have surrendered to divine also, like this is who I am. So now the next step of that is through Ace of Swords, what they are telling us now, let me be my own backbone of my truth. So this is my truth and I will stand for my truth. And here afterwards, I will not wear any fake masks showing my dynamic self to the world. So let me live who I am from within. Same thing as outside. The same person is outside without wearing any masks. This is through Ace of Swords card. Swords means thinkings and thoughts. Swords also means truth. Okay, next card is Nine of Pentacles. So Nine of Pentacles indicates once your twin flame knows this is who I am from deep within and this is my authenticity and my authenticity is my identity. Okay, that is through Nine of Cups. Then through Ace of Cups, he is also conveying you that I will stand as my own backbone for my authenticity. So through Nine of Pentacles, he is telling that now I know this is who I am and this is what I want to live. So from now on, I want to live a life of complete freedom and independency. I don't want to be a dependent or I don't want to be a codependent. So, financially, physically, emotionally, I want to be completely independent and I want to make myself eligible enough to live that independent life. Okay, so that is what is Nine of Pentacles conveying us. Next is Six of Pentacles. So the Six of Pentacles is conveying that once I know this is my dream, and I also know I want to live with so and so person, that is with my dream person, and I want to live as a completely independent individual with my dream person. I want to manifest that dream person. That dream person is there within my imaginations and dreams. That is what Six of Cups is telling. Six of Cups is a card of soulmates, friendship. And even though he's going to be a twin flame, your twin flame is conveying that initial stages. I don't want to stick to labels. I want my dream man or dream woman as my best friend, as my partner in crime. So that is what they are conveying. The next card is Judgment card. So according to soul contract, by now I know this is what I want. And so when there is something as a dream, something as an energy itself, it is already there in existence. It is there on this world, physical realm. So only thing is judgment has been already written and it has been already created in the soul contract also. So that means it is there in this 3D realm also, in this reality. So only thing is I have to make myself eligible enough to receive that which is present in the world. So if I make myself eligible, whatever judgment is being written for me, it will automatically come to me. That is what your twin flame is conveying you. So through nine of cups and ace of swords, nine of pentacles, six of cups, and judgment card and all, your twin is sending you messages that now I know who I am. I know all my dreams and wishes as a package, and I've organized all my dreams, and I stand for my own authentic self, and I want to live as an independent individual as my authentic essence, with my dream person as my friend, and whatever is there for me unfolded, I want to make myself eligible enough so that it comes to me. Okay, now let us see what are all the actions your twin flame is going to take towards you. First card is two of swords. So this two of swords conveys that he has lots of confusions, and he has lots of doubt regarding this journey, and he did not know, or she do not know whom to ask and get clarified. Okay, so she's going, or he's going to a calm place, sitting by themselves, developing a self conversation, and developing like a deep connection with their own inner self, and they are receiving messages from the higher self. Okay, so through those conversations, self conversations, what all confusions, what all doubts they have, they're starting to express all those doubts to their higher self, inner self. And once they ask, they are or they are also able to receive messages, answers from their higher self, and their confusions are getting clarified. Okay, this is two of swords. So the two swords are, one is fate, one is destiny. Now they are, after getting the clarification, they are able to select anyone, and mostly they'll select only destiny, not fate. Okay, then once they have selected their destiny, now they are realizing, because they have developed a self conversation now. So now they are talking with the higher self. Obviously higher self has all the knowledge about the universe, how universe works. Okay, so magician is a person who makes their mind into a magic wand, and they connect to the universe, and they manifest whatever they want. So now your person is so much determined to manifest whatever they are dreaming for, their dream life. Okay, so they are making themselves eligible enough, learning all the universal wisdom, and they are connecting themselves with the universe in a very humble, polite way, with lots of compassion, and they are becoming a favorite person, like how universe will like them, and now they're connecting themselves with the universe to manifest their dream life in reality. Okay, this is the action they're taking. The next thing is, they know that the dream person within themselves is their twin flame. So two of cups is a card which is typically twin flames. So now, not only their dream life, they want to manifest their dream partner also. So now they know, so, to manifest the dream partner, first of all, you have to know and recognize them within your heart space. And you should know the behavioral attitudes, characteristics, and how they'll respond if you tell something, how they'll react for whatever you tell, all these things. So, this can be achieved only when you live within your heart space with your dream partner. So now they are taking action is like they are learning to live with their dream partner within their heart space. They are learning to live with their higher self. So higher self is the spiritual twin. Now higher self is the dream partner within themselves. So they are learning to live instead of dreaming, or instead of visualization, or instead of imagining, like I want this, I'll be happy if this happens. Instead of creating all those visions, they flip the coin, and they're starting to live with their energetic dream person. Okay, so this is the next action they are taking towards it. Once they start living with their dream person, ace of wands, they are understanding and recognizing how passionate the connection is. So now they know living with the dream person is the utmost cure. and utmost passion what they have been longing for. So how much ever money they have, whatever luxury and comfort they have, they are realizing that without this person I cannot enjoy life, I cannot be happy. So whether it's going to be energetic dream person, energetic twin, or true twin flame in this physicality, I want this person. And now they are realizing how much passionate this connection is after they start to live within their heart space. So their um, passion becomes so much intensified. They are thinking, definitely I want to manifest this person, and I want to be in physical union with this person forever. Okay, the next card is Seven of Pentacles. So the Seven of Pentacles is a card where you put all the workmanship, okay, whatever is needed. You put all the workmanship, you work hard, you work smart, what all you know, you invest everything, your time, work, ideology, creativity in that. And after finishing everything, for one time, 10 times you recheck, have I finished everything? Or have I missed something? Have I finished everything, like that? And after finishing rechecking all that things, you become tired. See, you are sitting with all the fruits in your lap. So you are relaxing, you are having food, and you are having a good time. And after that, also, you are not ready to wait. You are only just resting and relaxing after doing so much of work. After relaxing, you will continue with your everyday routine. You won't be keep sitting and waiting and waiting. Whatever you have to invest, whatever you have to put your workmanship, you have finished. So you strongly believe divine will give the answers for all your workmanship, and your workmanship will come to fruition, and you will harvest your rewards. You have strong belief in that. So you don't want to keep on checking, or you don't want to wait. Anyhow, you will reap the rewards. Okay, so the reaping the reward is nothing but manifesting and being in physical union with your twin flame. Okay, so definitely this is going to happen if I follow all these steps, if I follow step by step, and if I do the inner work. So that inner work is the complete steps you are taking to march forward towards your twin. So this is going to be your February month. What is the messages from your twin flame, and what is the action they are taking towards you? Sorry guys, it became late this month. Next month I'll try to upload it for first half, like within 15 days, and second half for next 15 days. Okay, until then, bye.